Proven Instagram marketing strategies to try. Hey there, everyone. Marketing your business online successfully can take a couple years of trial and error while you develop a series of strategies that work for you. This can be a big turnoff for anyone. So we've decided to gift you a collection of proven Instagram marketing strategies so you do it right from the very start. Use hashtags to categorize your posts. You can use hashtags to make it easier for people to find your content under certain categories beyond your basic niche keywords. This strategy goes beyond using keywords that are related to your niche and product as hashtags, like we explained during the very first lessons. What you'll do is to include a combination of general hashtags, branded hashtags that you can borrow from competitor accounts in your niche with larger followings, alongside your base and related hashtags. This will help you to basically place your content under a content category when people use those hashtags to search content. Run contests and giveaways. Running giveaways on your account might be the easiest and quickest way to get a lot of new followers and engagement. All you have to do is to announce a prize that you'll reward to a random user. For a chance to win, people have to follow your account, like the post where you announce the giveaway, and share it. You can run this campaign for several days, and in the meanwhile, you'll get tons of participants following your account, commenting on your posts, and sharing your content. This will in turn increase the relevance of your account. Post at the right times. Believe it or not, there are specific times when Instagram users are the most active. In general, this can be in between off-work hours during weekdays. But it's been determined that peak activity on Instagram happens from Mondays through Thursdays at any time except the hours between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. To determine the right time to post, take a look at your audience insights and see where the majority of your followers are from. You can use their time zone to determine the best times to schedule and post your content. Interact with followers. People will become emotionally connected to your brand or business if you start interacting with them. All you have to do is to reply to their comments or to like nice comments. This will help you to build a stronger, more reciprocal customer relationship, and that will cause customers to become repeat clients or even brand ambassadors down the line. Share user-generated content. Another way to make your followers go crazy about your brand is to share their own content. Not pictures from their accounts and such, but content that they create for your brand. That's called user-generated content. And all you have to do is to encourage followers to create content that is focused on your brand, products, or businesses. This is quite easy because you can simply ask people to take a picture showcasing one or some of your products and to tag your account in the post. For example, if you sell clothes, you can ask users to take a picture where they're wearing one of your clothes. You can also leverage certain hashtags by instructing people to use a hashtag in their caption. In fact, user-generated content is a great way to create a branded hashtag of your own, as well as to raise awareness about the hashtag. Instagram users love when brands ask them to generate content for them, because that's a great way to generate more views and followers for their own accounts. Hijack trending topics. You can leverage the popularity of trending topics and viral content when it's fresh. For example, you can hijack a holiday like the National Ice Cream Day by creating a branded post about the holiday where you include the National Ice Cream Day hashtag in the caption. This strategy works with viral news, local events, and national trends. Partner with influencers. A great way to grow your Instagram presence and drive more results is by partnering with influencers. Because Instagram influencers have access to large, engaged audiences, you can leverage their popularity to promote your stuff. To give you an example, a single shout-out by an influencer with thousands of followers can help you generate hundreds if not thousands of unique sales. Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Do's. Be consistent. Post consistently and on a predictable basis to keep your followers engaged and glued to your account. Try sticking to a content schedule if possible. Always use the link in your bio. You can't add links to your Instagram posts, so it is a good idea to always use your bio to share your landing page URLs and to remind people to click by adding a call to action in your posts. Ask questions. Asking questions of your followers is a great form of engagement. Doing so strengthens your customer relationships and makes your brand more likable. Engage with other brands. People enjoy watching competing brands engaging on Instagram. Simply comment, like, and share stuff from your competitors to create more branded conversations. Create a unique brand voice. It is important that you develop a unique voice for your account. This is the way your brand speaks on Instagram, and it will help you to differentiate your account from the rest. Share motivational stuff. Instagram users love motivational content. A motivational quote, image, or video about your brand will be enough to encourage users to share with their friends and followers. Use all available tools. Instagram has a lot of amazing tools that will help you take your brand to the next level. From its powerful image editing tools to its engaging video formats, you'll have a lot of fun trying every feature. Promote your Instagram account. You can add shortcuts to your Instagram profile as well as a feed of your Instagram content on your website to promote your Instagram account there as well as on other channels. Share relatable content. You can show a more casual side of your company by sharing content that is relatable, such as pictures of pets, your staff's favorite dishes, music, and humor. Try alternative engagement techniques. You can create stories using elements such as polls, quizzes, and questions to engage users in a different, fun, and relevant way that will keep them coming back for more. Don'ts. Don't overpost. Avoid posting too many times a day. It sounds like a good idea, but it can bore your audience, get you unfollowed, and create a reputation as spammer. Don't ghost your audience. On the other hand, it isn't a good idea to ghost your audience by not posting either. In fact, missing your regular posting frequency for a day or two can lower your relevance by a lot. Don't be salesy. Avoid using salesy language on Instagram. Don't use calls to action urging people to buy. Instead, encourage people to visit your product pages by offering an incentive. Don't share stock media. Never post stock images or videos on Instagram. Instagram users are put off by stock content because they're there to see content that shows your brand's authentic side. Don't share irrelevant content. Don't post content that isn't relevant to your audience. While you can share off-topic content that your followers will enjoy, you have to avoid sharing stuff that's too irrelevant. Don't overuse hashtags. You don't have to use all 30 allowed hashtags just because. Using too many hashtags will just make your captions look crowded and disorganized. Don't use auto-commenters. Instagram users can identify automated responses from a mile away. In fact, automated responses can cause people to dismiss your account as a spam account not worth their time. Don't buy followers and engagement. This is a strategy that fails every time because the Instagram algorithm is really good at identifying artificial engagement bought to inflate metrics, and it can only help you to make your account irrelevant. Don't argue with users. Social media users can be really mean and rude at times, but that doesn't mean that you have to reciprocate. Always reply professionally to rude comments no matter what. Don't steal content. If you'd like to share an image, video, caption, or quote that you think is cool, make sure to always ask for permission and to credit the original creator to keep your account in good standing. Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Buffer. Buffer is a social media management tool that is perfect for Instagram marketers. Buffer can help you to simplify your workflow because it provides you with tools to coordinate and schedule your Instagram posts. It also provides you with an accessible dashboard where you can reply to comments and other interactions directly from your desktop computer. Other Buffer features include the Stories Planner, a programmable first comment for scheduled posts, a hashtag planner, and custom reports. 460. 460 is an amazingly different Instagram marketing tool that will allow you to turn content from your Instagram feed into cool, shoppable experiences. It works by integrating with your Instagram account to pull content such as product pictures and repurpose it as e-commerce galleries that look very similar to an Instagram feed. Shoppers simply have to tap or click on one of the images, and 460 will redirect them to a product page. Grum. Grum is a dead simple Instagram scheduling tool that will help you to schedule your Instagram content right from the web. With Grum, you will be able to schedule and publish photos and videos to multiple profiles at the same time, and also to manage an unlimited number of accounts at the same time. Other worthy Grum features include tagging, desktop publishing, and a very intuitive interface. Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a useful social media management and scheduling tool that can help you streamline your Instagram marketing activities. It provides you with straightforward publishing and scheduling features, automated post formatting, custom scheduling according to time zone, and a special scheduled content meter that'll help you know whether you have enough content scheduled each week. It also provides you with powerful analytics and mention tracking features. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a versatile social media management tool that is wildly popular among Instagram marketers thanks to its powerful host of features. Hootsuite can help you to plan all your Instagram marketing content under a single collaborative calendar, to create unique and beautiful Instagram posts, to keep your content calendar active with automated posts that fill content gaps in your schedule, and much more. Hopper. Hopper is a social media management tool that is made for businesses looking for a solution to simplify their Instagram marketing tasks. With Hopper, you can create up to 50 Instagram posts at once using bulk uploading, to set individual time zones for different accounts, and to integrate Instagram analytics and grid planning. It also provides you with features such as full image editing, reposting, and rescheduling. Iconosquare. Iconosquare is a powerful analytic social media management and social media scheduling tool for brands, marketers, and agencies on Instagram. You can use Iconosquare to predict the performance of your content through its insightful industry benchmarks, which automatically compares your content against content published by top-performing competitors, and it gives you detailed optimization suggestions to help you improve your content like a pro. Combin. Combin is a dedicated Instagram marketing tool that provides you with great marketing and content planning solutions, which includes Instagram audience growth, management and attraction, post and story planning, multiple account management, engagement automation, outgoing and incoming activity monitoring, and more. Later. Later is an amazing marketing platform for Instagram that will allow you to visually plan, schedule, and analyze posts for Instagram and other platforms too. With Later, you'll be able to plan up to a week of Instagram posts in 20 minutes or less using its powerful visual content calendar. It will also let you preview your feed before you post. It would let you auto-publish without notifications required. It can help you to import media from anywhere, to find and repost user-generated content, and much, much more. Linktree. Linktree is a useful tool that will allow you to create a custom link for your Instagram bio. What it does is to redirect users to a page where you can add links to all your other channels, or to more product pages, or to more landing pages. This is the perfect solution to bypass the one link limitation. Instagram marketing success stories. Adidas. Adidas is a worldwide famous shoe and clothing company. Objective. The brand's objective was to promote and create awareness about a new product line brand. Strategy. Adidas encouraged its followers to create user-generated posts inspired by products made by the company using a branded hashtag. Results? The company was able to generate over 71,000 mentions of its branded hashtag and made over 41,000 new followers. Bloom and Wild. Bloom and Wild is a flower delivery company from the United Kingdom. Objective. The company wanted to attract a wider audience and potential customers for their business. Strategy. The company started running Facebook ads to target an audience based off their existing email list. Results? The ads helped the company increase bouquet orders by 62% and generated a huge spike of comments on their Instagram profile. Bejeweled. Bejeweled is a popular mobile puzzle game created by PopCap Games. Objective. PopCap Games wanted to encourage more people to download the app and play the game. Strategy. The company partnered with top Instagram influencers who shared pictures of themselves playing the game and having fun. These influencers included branded hashtags in their posts too. Results? The influencer campaign helped the game climb up App Store charts in one single month from 702 to 182nd. Old Spice. Old Spice is a brand of male grooming products from the United States. Objective. The brand wanted to enhance their brand identity by running an innovative social media campaign. Strategy. The brand partnered with influential Instagrammers that were popular among its target demographic to run a giveaway campaign. Results? The campaign helped the brand lift brand awareness and generated over 2 million unique views across all channels. Chanel. Chanel is a luxury apparel and high-fashion accessories company from France. Objective. The company wanted to promote a new line of perfume. Strategy. The company partnered with fashion and beauty bloggers and encouraged them to share content about the company using a couple of branded hashtags. Results? This influencer campaign generated over 1,600 pieces of user-generated content, as well as 900,000 likes during the first month of the campaign. Sonic Drive-In. Sonic Drive-In is an American drive-in restaurant chain. Objective. The restaurant chain wanted to create awareness about a new type of milkshake that they had only sold at events. Strategy. The company ran geo-targeted Instagram ads that encouraged users to customize a milkshake and have their milkshake delivered simply by using a branded hashtag. Results? The campaign raised the company's Instagram following from 118,000 to 129,000 followers. It also generated over 26,000 likes and more than 1,000 comments. Hartley's. Hartley's is a brand of jams, marmalades, and jellies from the United Kingdom. Objective. The brand needed to raise awareness about a new low-calorie jelly. Strategy. The brand partnered with diet influencers to promote the low-calorie jelly to females aged 25 to 34 in the UK. Results? The campaign helped the brand generate a 146% engagement rate, doubled the brand's follower count on Instagram, and increased sales. Airbnb. Airbnb is a global online marketplace where people can search and rent tourism experiences and homestays. Objective. The company wanted to raise awareness about offerings available in their online marketplace. Strategy. The company created a series of posts showcasing user-generated photos of locations in their marketplace. For this, they used photos taken by hosts and guests. Results? The campaign helped potential customers understand what Airbnb was all about, generated thousands of likes per post, and increased business through their marketplace. Nutella. Nutella is a popular brand of hazelnut and chocolate spread from Italy. Objective. The brand's objective is to stay on top of the consumer's mind as a top chocolate spread brand. Strategy. The company continually encourages users to share content where they use Nutella spread in novel ways. Results? Using user-generated content helped Nutella to save on advertising and increase the brand's visibility dramatically. Dove. Dove is a brand of personal care products from the United States. Objective. The brand's objective was to lift brand awareness among the female Instagram demographic. Strategy. Dove created an emotionally charged series of Instagram posts targeted at women. They used a branded hashtag to raise visibility. Results? The campaign helped Dove to boost reach, brand awareness, and social engagement. Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. What's the advantage of Instagram marketing over other platforms? Instagram has been marketed since the very beginning as a platform where people go to see cool pictures and videos about stuff they like. And that's the reason why it is such a good place to promote your products. Instagram users are also more engaged than users on other social media platforms, and they check Instagram often. Do you need a social media manager to help you out? All the stuff you'll learn in this training will help you to become your own social media manager, although you might want some help with Instagram marketing once your business scales. A better solution will be to subscribe to a social media management platform. They're easy to use, are much less expensive, and can align well to your marketing objectives on autopilot. How much money do you have to invest on Instagram marketing? You won't need to invest much when you're getting started, beyond paying a good graphic designer to create a kick-ass logo and images for your profile, as long as you apply all the strategies in this training. You will need to invest some money down the line once you're ready to scale, such as investing money on ads or on influencers. But this isn't as much money as you would spend on a dedicated social media manager. Is advertising a good alternative to Instagram marketing? Advertising your Instagram content is a complementary activity to your overall Instagram marketing strategy. In other words, you can't replace Instagram marketing with advertising, and you can't stop marketing your brand on Instagram once you start running ads. Remember, you are going to use advertising to increase your reach, drive more sales, and scale, and that's just part of Instagram marketing. What's another great complementary marketing strategy for Instagram? Blogging is a great complementary strategy because you can use it to create a loop that goes from your blog to your Instagram content and from your Instagram content back to your blog. For example, you can produce images to share on Instagram and create blog posts about those pictures as well. You can then upload one of those pictures to Instagram with a call to action, inviting users to visit your blog through the link in your bio. And you can also embed the post with the picture into a blog post. That way you can generate traffic between both marketing channels. What's a common Instagram marketing mistake? Inconsistency is a very common mistake that can cost you the relevance of your account. To avoid this mistake, simply stick to a regular posting frequency, interact with followers when appropriate, and participate in trends when they're hot. That's how you let your followers know that your brand is active. What type of businesses thrive on Instagram? Any business with a visual appeal can thrive on Instagram easily. For example, e-commerce brands can thrive because Instagram is the perfect place to post nice product pics. Fitness brands can post videos and images that showcase their products being used during workouts or outdoors. Businesses in the food industry, such as restaurants, breweries, or bakeries, can also use Instagram to entice Instagram users with mouth-watering images and videos showing their products. Electronics stores can also leverage Instagram to upload sleek pictures of their products. In short, you can thrive as long as you have a cool product or service to show on camera. What type of businesses would have a hard time on Instagram? Businesses that sell more abstract solutions, such as software or consulting companies, are going to find it difficult to promote their products or services on Instagram and should in fact use other platforms instead. Also, business-to-business companies, which thrive on more professional and sales-oriented environments. What are some key metrics to pay attention to? Key metrics that are important to track on Instagram include engagement per follower, which tells you how much each individual follower interacts with your account. Follower growth, which tells you the consistency at which your number of followers is growing. The number of comments received compared against your total number of followers, and reach. Is SEO essential on Instagram? SEO isn't as essential as is using hashtags correctly. This is because content on Instagram is indexed through hashtags. In other words, people will find your Instagram content when they use keywords that are included in your hashtags.